Allwin21 AW901eR, AW903eR plasma RIE etch systems are fully automated, single-wafer plasma polysilicon, nitride, silicon dioxide etching system that processes 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch wafers. The systems are used in one part of the sequence of manufacturing steps that transfer a pattern formed from a layer of photosensitive material, the photoresist, to a layer that makes up a permanent part of the finished device. The process of defining a pattern with photoresist is known as photolithography, while the etch process transfers the photoresist pattern to the permanent layer. Allwin21 AW901eR, AW903eR plasma RIE etchers have been configured to take advantage of the characteristics of plasmas for etching various films. They have been optimized for specific etches of specific films. It has the common ability to implement multi-step etch recipes using multiple process gases. An optical monitoring system provides a means for determining etch completion so that the etch process may be terminated. Allwin21 includes an advanced AW900 system control with touchscreen operator interface or 17-inch LCD monitor, new PC with Allwin21 AW900 software and new main control board. The new control system will enhance the entire system operation. It makes the upgraded plasma etch RIE system much more reliable with real-time precise control. The robust integrated robotic wafer transfer is for much better wafer transfer and MTTB. Allwin21 AW901eR, AW903eR key features. 1. Process and production proven reactor chamber assembly with upper and lower electrode. 2. Handle 75 mm, 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm silicon or 3-5 compound round wafers. 3. 4 independent gas line with 4 MFCs. 4. Processing of substrate directly on cooled wafer chuck. 5. 13.56 MHz air cooling RF generator with fully automated RF matching network. 6. Wafer center aligner. 7. New Allwin21 end of process, EOP function. 8. Robotic 3-axis wafer transfer TO prevent wafer breakage. 9. Accurate, closed-loop pressure control with UPC and MKS Baratron capacitance manometer. 10. New cylinder and pin speed adjustment. Option. 11. Touchscreen monitor or LCD monitor with PC. 12. Industrial-grade computer with large hard disk driver. Allwin21 AW901eR, AW903eR control system key features. 1. Gas flows. Settings for up to 4 independent mass flow controller values. 2. RF power. 50 to 600 or 1000 watts. 3. Process pressure set and control. 4. Absolute endpoint time. 5. Time cycles up to 4 hours each. 6. Wafer pins up and down. 7. Allwin21 optical endpoint parameters. 8. Automated calibration of all subsystems. 9. Troubleshooting to subassembly levels. 10. Programmed comprehensive calibration and built-in diagnostic functions. 11. Recipe creation for full automatic wafer processing. 12. Automatic decline of improper recipes and process data. 13. Multi-level password protections. 14. Storage of multiple recipes and system functions. 15. Real-time process data acquisition, display, analysis. 16. Real-time graphics display. 17. Process data and recipe storage on a hard drive. Please contact us at sales@allwin21.com for more information on Allwin21 AW901eR, AW903eR plasma RIE etch systems.